Get acquainted with the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, multi-zone AC, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.